Hello everyone, welcome to CentreStack. In today's session, I'm going to show you how to lock files exclusively. I've previously made a video on distributed file locking, which shows us how it prevents multiple users from editing the same file at the same time, which means if one user has a file open and is working on it, another user can still open it, but it will be a read-only copy. With locking files exclusively, when one user has one file open, the other user cannot even open it as read-only. It will be locked exclusively. So this is what this feature does. We're currently logged in as a tenant admin in our web portal, and I'm going to show you where my HR team folder is. It's right here, and I'm going to right click to show you that I have it published to two of my users, user 1 and user 2, and they both have read and write permissions. I'm going to go ahead into my management console to enable this feature, lock files exclusively. So we're going to select the management console option from the top menu bar. And I'm going to select group policy from the left pane. Select client control and select file locking from the drop-down menu option. And as you could see, we have enabled distributed locking when accessing files is enabled by default, which prevents multiple users from editing the same file at the same time. And we also have lock files exclusively right beneath it, which says when set, the locked file will be locked exclusively, and when not set, the other user trying to open the locked file will be notified with the message but can still open it. So we're going to go ahead and enable lock file exclusively. So I'm going to go ahead and click on edit, and I'm going to check it to enable the feature and click apply. I'm going to go into my Windows client machine, and as we know, I've mentioned it before, we always have to restart the client for our setting to take effect. So we're going to sign out and sign in our Windows client machine, which I've already done to restart the client. I'm logged in as user 1 on this machine, and you could see the HR team folder. On the other machine, I'm logged in as user 2, and you also see the HR team folder. I'm going back into my user 1's machine. I'm going to go inside the HR team folder. I'm going to select the projects file and right click, and I'm going to select check out lock to lock the file. And when I click on that, I get this message: the file will be locked and all changes will be kept local until the file is checked in. If you want to continue, we're going to click yes, and our file is being locked exclusively. I'm going to double click and open the same file, my projects file. Now I'm going to go into the other machine where I'm logged in as user 2, go into the HR team folder, and I'm going to go ahead and open the same file, which is the projects file. And this is the file that is locked exclusively. So we get a message on the bottom. It says this file is locked. And also, Word cannot open the document. The user does not have access privileges. So this file is exclusively locked. It does not even open as a read-only copy like it does for distributed file locking. So this is how you will lock the file exclusively within the CentreStack platform. Thank you.